Hey, what's up ComSci community? I'm back with day number 7 of my 100 Days of Code challenge. So today I started a new module with Team Treehouse about enhancing design using CSS. And in this module they actually give us basically a one-page website of just HTML, and then they take you through the whole process of styling this website with CSS, starting with the fonts, and that's what I worked on today. The first thing that I did was import Google Fonts, and then from there I styled up all the different fonts, including the headings and the paragraph text. I added letter spacing, line spacing, text shadow, and a bunch of other things. And you can see already just from the little bit of styling that I've added with the text and with the header that this is starting to look like a much more professional website. However, it still has a long way to go. When I first started the module in Team Treehouse, they gave us a preview of what the website is going to look like. So I can't wait to take this bland text on the screen and turn it into a beautiful website. I'm really looking forward to that whole process. Alright, well that pretty much wraps it up for day number 7, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day. Take care.